How to hide friends list on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how you can hide your friends list on Facebook. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your facebook.com and then you have to go to your profile right here. So I'm gonna go to settings and privacy. Let's open up settings. So in settings, you just have to go to privacy right here, and in privacy scroll down to how people can find you and contact you. So you can see here it says who can see your friend list. So I can edit this option, click on edit, and now we have different options available. We have public, like everyone can see on Facebook, friends, friends accept, specific friends, only me, or custom. So I'm gonna go with only me. And now only I can see my friend list on Facebook and no one else will be able to see it. So this is how you can go ahead and hide your friends list on Facebook. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.